Talking about the online freelance and creator economy. It's growing faster than ever. This chart just shows the growth for one platform, but trust me, this is happening everywhere. This is where your opportunity is. So how do you actually get in on this? Here are 10 super simple, beginner-friendly income ideas using AI that you can start today. AI Thumbnail Designer. Every single YouTube video needs a thumbnail that grabs your attention. You can use tools like Midjourney to create incredible designs in minutes. The demand is huge, and creators will gladly pay $5 to $25 a pop. AI short-form video editor. Let's be real. Short-form video on TikTok, Reels, and Shorts runs the world right now. Apps like CapCut have insane AI features that can help you edit killer clips for creators who just don't have the time. You can easily charge $10 to $40 per video for this. Selling AI-generated digital products. Coming in at number 3 is a potential game changer. Selling AI-generated digital products. Think about things like phone wallpapers, coloring book pages, or presentation templates. You can create them with AI and sell them on places like Etsy. The best part? You make it once, and it can sell over and over and over. That's true passive income. AI Research Assistant. Idea number 4 is probably one of the easiest ways to get started. Become an AI research assistant. We are drowning in information, and people will pay you just to find the important stuff. You can use tools like Perplexity AI to summarize long articles or do quick research for other students or writers. It's a simple gig you can do for $5 to $25 a project. AI-assisted social media writer. All right, number 5, an AI-assisted social media writer. Every business out there needs social media posts, but a lot of them are terrible at writing them. You can use ChatGPT to help them write amazing captions and scripts that actually get engagement. This is a super valuable service you can charge anywhere from $10 to $50 for. AI Print on Demand. Here's another awesome passive income idea at number 6. AI Print on Demand. Use AI to generate really cool, unique designs for t-shirts, stickers, or whatever. Then you just upload them to a site like Redbubble. When someone buys it, Redbubble prints it, ships it, and you get paid. No inventory, no hassle. It's awesome. AI TikTok automation. At number 7, we've got something that is very 2024. AI TikTok automation. You've seen these faceless pages, right? The ones that talk about history or business or tell stories. You can use AI to write the scripts and even do the voiceover. Once you get followers, you can monetize it with TikTok's creativity program. AI resume optimization. Number 8 is a fantastic way to help people you already know. AI resume optimization. As your friends start applying for jobs or college, you know the competition is crazy. Offer to use ChatGPT to clean up and optimize their resumes. For $10 to $30, you can give them a serious edge. AI podcast clip maker. There is a massive need for this next one. Number 9, become an AI podcast clip maker. Podcasters have hours of audio and they want to turn it into short viral clips. A tool like Opus Clip can literally find the best parts for you. All you do is manage the process, and you can sell batches of clips for $15 all the way up to $60. AI-powered tutoring. And finally, number 10, AI-powered tutoring. With school getting tougher and tougher, you can use ChatGPT to help younger kids understand complicated subjects, create study guides, or even just summarize their homework readings. It's a total win-win. They learn faster, and you can earn $5 to $20 a session. Look, the takeaway here is really clear. The 2026 financial storm, it's not some crazy theory. The charts are already showing us it's on the way. But the teenagers who start building their own income online right now, using the incredible power of AI, are going to be so far ahead of everyone else. If this opened your eyes, please like and subscribe for more. And now I have a question for you. Which one of these 10 AI income methods do you want me to do a full step-by-step tutorial on next? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one.